Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the Facebook pixel ID of a Facebook pixel, which is now also called Meta pixel. So if you want to find the ID of a Facebook pixel or a Meta pixel, if you use the new name of the Facebook pixel, then here's how to do it. I'm going to show you two ways. So if you cannot do with the first method I'm going to show you, I'm also going to show you a second method that you can use to find the Facebook pixel ID. So the first method is going to be in the Meta Business Suite. So if you want to find out the Facebook pixel ID using the Meta Business Suite, first you have to open up the URL business.facebook.com, and this will open up the Meta Business Suite account of your business account. And first you have to make sure you select the Meta Business Suite account in the top left here that the Facebook pixel is already added to. And once you selected the Meta Business Suite account, you're going to see settings on the left here. Click on that and this will open up the Facebook business settings page. Then from the list here, select business assets, and this will show all the assets that have been added to this Facebook Business Suite account or Meta Business Suite account. Then to find the Facebook pixels, we have to click on the More button here and select Pixels. And this will list out all the Facebook pixels or Meta pixels that have been created in this Meta Business Suite account. And if we want to find out the Facebook pixel ID of a Facebook pixel, we just have to select the Facebook pixel, and as you can see, here's the Facebook pixel ID that you can use in any way, shape or form. Right, so this is the first way. If you cannot access the Meta Business Suite account of a Facebook pixel, you can still find out the Facebook pixel ID of any website. All you have to do is Google Facebook Pixel Helper or Meta Pixel Helper in Google, and then open up the Google Chrome extension page of this Chrome extension. This is the official extension of Facebook or Meta. And it's very easy. All you have to do is add it to Chrome. Then once you have added this Chrome extension to your Google Chrome, or it also works in Microsoft Edge, then all you have to do is go to a website that you want to check out the Facebook pixel ID of. It can be your website, but it can be a website you don't have to do anything with. So if I open up monday.com, which is a CRM and project management software as a service that you can use to manage projects for your business, then if you check out the Chrome extension, the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension here, you can see that there is a number here which indicates that there is at least one pixel code added to this website. If you do not see the Chrome extension here, you can also click on this extension icon here and select the extension, the Meta Pixel Helper extension from the list. Then if you see this extension, just click on it and this will list out the Meta pixels that have been added to this website. In this case there is only one, and as you can see, here's the pixel ID that we can copy to our clipboard and use it any way we want. So this is how to find a Facebook pixel ID of a Facebook pixel or of a Meta pixel.